Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today we have our headlight assembly, a new one to put in. So here is your whole headlight assembly. This is the whole one full unit. This bracket mechanism, this is not separate from the whole unit, so you buy this whole thing. If the electrics don't come on it, I'm just going to show you what they look like from the back. We've got this wire that runs down along here, and that is for your high beam, and then we have this wire here that's for your low beam, and this electrical connector. You would just pop this off with putting a screwdriver in here and pushing the tabs on both sides and pulling this away. And then you've got a little one that comes up here, which is your park light. Blinker is in the bumper. So there's no blinker up there. This is just a park light, clearance light. Right? So we've got our whole new unit. So the way you're going to put it back in, line it up, follow this tab up, and you follow it through the grooves up the side here. Be able to get it aligned very well. And there's a guide pin down here that guide it right into where it needs to go. So now we've got 3 bolts, and these bolts are number 10. So you go ahead and snug those all up, then go ahead and make sure you reconnect your electrical connectors so that all your lights are going to work. Push and clip. Last thing, you got a push pin that goes in right here. We got this screw type push pin that goes in up the top, which you just push it in and then push the screw piece down. There you go. Replace the headlight assembly on your Mazda 3 of a 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.